The Supreme Court on Wednesday agreed to hear next week's appeal, challenging Karnataka High Court's order which upheld the state government's decision to ban wearing hijabs in school and college classrooms. A bench headed by Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramanna and Justices Krishna Murari and Hima Kohli said it would list the matter next week before the appropriate bench after Advocate Prashant Bhushan mentioned the matter, saying the petitions have not been listed since March. Some of the petitioners before the High Court have approached the Apex Court, challenging the order upholding the Karnataka government's order which directed strict enforcement of school and college uniform rules. One of the appeals in the top court has alleged stepmotherly behavior of government authorities which has prevented students from practicing their faith and resulted in an unwanted law and order situation. The appeal said the High Court, its impute order, had vehemently failed to apply its mind and was unable to understand the gravity of the situation as well as the core aspect of the essential religious practices enshrined under Article 25 of the Constitution of India. Wearing of hijab or headscarf is a practice that is essential to the practice of Islam, it has added. Karnataka High Court in March had held the prescription of uniforms is a reasonable restriction that students could not object to and dismissed various petitions challenging a ban on hijab in education institutions, saying they are without merit.